In the dynamic world of global economics, disputes can arise that impact industries and nations. Today, let's dive into the Brazil-Canada aircraft dispute, a complex tale of subsidies, WTO battles, and the changing landscape of the global aerospace industry. Our narrative unfolds in the 1990s, a pivotal period where the seeds of the aircraft industry clash were sown. Canada challenges Brazil's export financing program, PROEX, and in retaliation, Brazil challenges Canadian subsidies for their regional aircraft industry. In 1998, the WTO delivers a verdict in favor of Brazil, triggering amendments to Canada's subsidy programs. Little did they know, this was merely the opening chapter in a dispute destined to evolve over the decades. Fast forward to 2017, and Brazil launches a WTO complaint against Canadian subsidies for Bombardier C-Series aircraft, citing detrimental effects on Embraer, its direct competitor. In 2018, the plot thickens as Bombardier sells the C-Series to Airbus, rebranding it the A220. The WTO proceedings face suspension in 2019 to 2020 due to procedural issues and the unforeseen disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The official dispute may be over, but beneath the surface, tensions linger. Both Embraer and Bombardier now find themselves under new ownership, injecting fresh complexities into an already intricate narrative. Now, let's dive into the profound impact of this dispute on the global economics landscape. The clash unveils the distortive effects of government support in the commercial aircraft sector. Massive subsidies to Bombardier led to aggressive pricing, fundamentally altering the competitive landscape and posing a significant challenge to fair market practices. The dynamics of the industry underwent a seismic shift as Bombardier exited the market, and the once Canadian-controlled C-Series found itself under Airbus's umbrella, with production strategically shifted to the United States. This reshaping of the narrative poses unprecedented challenges for effective dispute resolution. Beyond the immediate dispute, the Brazil-Canada aircraft clash serves as a microcosm of broader global economic concepts. The endless litigation in ongoing aircraft disputes globally and the recent shifts in the commercial aircraft sector underscore the inadequacy of current WTO rules. New, sector-specific rules are imperative, emphasizing the need for governments to actively shape these regulations. The conclusion of the Brazil-Canada dispute marks not the end but a pivot. As the world witnesses the evolution of the aviation industry, governments must shift from relying solely on dispute settlements to proactive negotiations. Collaborative efforts are the bedrock of creating effective and sustainable solutions in the commercial aircraft sector. As the curtains draw on the Brazil-Canada aircraft dispute, the story extends beyond borders. The global aviation landscape is ever-evolving, emphasizing the imperative need for new strategies, negotiations, and collaborative frameworks to ensure fair competition on an international scale. Thank you for embarking on this extended animated odyssey. Understanding the complexities of international trade disputes is not just a journey, it's a necessity in deciphering the dynamic world of global economics.